equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process requires a few specific tools and a bit of patience, but we'll walk you through it step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. Take your time here to avoid damaging any components. Now, let's clean the internal area of your Thermomix. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This is a great opportunity to ensure your machine is in top condition. If you're not comfortable doing this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. With the internal area clean, it's time to replace the panel. Align the new panel with the connectors and gently press it into place. Make sure it fits snugly without forcing it. Now, reinsert the screws you previously removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the panel back onto the unit. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help if you need assistance with this process. After securing the screws, double-check that everything is in place. It's important to ensure that no wires are pinched or exposed. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your Thermomix back in working order. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the panel on your Thermomix TM31. Thank you for following along. And remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, we are just a call away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.